Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Fahad, and right now you're watching your own favorite YouTube channel, Aamir Forex. In today's video, I'm going to give you a detailed overview of a broker named as like HFM. It's HotForex market, and I already have gone through with the detailed overview of this broker in Urdu language, but this one is in English. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you know what sort of broker it is, and about all of its regulations, like whether it does have some licenses in different countries, what about its deposit and withdrawals, how to make an account, how to make a deposit, how to take a withdrawal, and how their services are and what they are providing. Right now, what you can see on the screen, it's like grouphf.com/en. This is basically the website. You can just Google it and you'll find this website. And first of all, you'll have to see, as I have told you, if you're gonna see any broker, so you'll have to open wikifx.com, and here you're gonna put the name of the broker, or either you can put it here. So if I'm gonna write I'm gonna write HFM. In the HFM, I can find the first one. It says it's regulated. So what it's gonna offer, we'll have to see, and have to get a detailed answer of the question that we do have. As far as HFM is concerned, its score is 7.82 out of 10. But honestly, if you want to, take my opinion, I will just rate him up 9.5 out of 10, just because of a lot of options and a lot of positive stuff they are offering to the clients. And it is, it does have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. It does have environment B. It's regulated in UK in straight through processing. And a lot of other stuff. It does have license. The business is good. It does have risk control. Its software is working very well. And this is its rating index. And you can just scroll a little down and you can find the basic information. They're basically from Cyprus. It does have a customer service email address, and it does have their contact number. And right now, if you can see what they're offering, it's all here. But I will just give you a detailed information once I'm going to see their website. So what we will have to do, we'll have to just see the both stuff, like the wikifx as well as their website. So let's click on their website, and here you can see it's FM. The first one is like market. They are providing is Forex, metals, energies, indices, stocks, commodities, bonds, ETFs, and cryptos. It means it's a very good broker, honestly. It does have an app too. You can just download the application and you can use it on your cell phone, either it's iOS or Android. And as far as the services available, you'll have to only click it here, fill up all the information, click on the continue, and there will be a person who's available for any live support, any issue if you do have. So let's deep dive into the details. I'm talking about the platform. They just offer their own platform with HFM platform. They do have MT4, MT5, and the comparative too. And if I'm talking about the accounts, they offer cent account, zero account, pro account, and premium account. And they do have their deposit and withdrawals. They do have swap free trading and the stuff like that. I have just clicked here, and I'm going to show you what sort of deposit and what the details of deposit they're offering. You can make any deposit with the wire transfer, and that would be minimum like $100. And maximum with no limits, and the deposit time is they're asking like 2 to 7 business days, but normally it takes like maximum 24 hours, honestly. And if you do have your own cards, it's the minimum is like $5, and they do have some limits, and it takes up to 10 minutes. And as far as crypto is concerned, it's on instant basis, like 35, 510, and it's all depend all of your what sort of wallet you do have. So this is all about its deposits, and same goes with the withdrawals. What you can see on the top, I'm sorry, I'll have to go back. On the top, I just missed an information. So fund your account. So fast and secure transactions 24/7, deposits fee. Like HFM doesn't apply any deposit fee, and that's such a nice thing. And if you have to go here, like for example on the withdrawals, you can just go here. You can see the bank transfers. It's going to take 2 to 10 business days. And it's gonna if you're gonna take the money back, like from 2 to 10 business days, depending on your correspondent bank. But I will suggest you to work with the crypto, because this is like up to 24 hours, but maximum mostly it's been done instantly, like the FastPay, Neteller, Perfect Money, and Skrill, even on with the Binance. So the withdrawal is very quick, and they never ever hold a single penny of any client as far as I know, because I have been working with them since, I think so 2020 or 2021, because I'm working with different brokers. I'm just, making the money in, putting in withdrawals, deposits, and all the stuff to let you know how the people are working. So this is all about their deposit and withdrawals. If I get back, I'll have to go through with their website, what they're offering. As you can see, they do have Cent, Zero, Pro, Premium, and after that, they do have, some sort of bonuses like 100% super recharge bonus. Honestly, this is not a tradable bonus. This is basically, they can just give you this super 100% recharge bonus if you people are daily making up like $2 per lot, right? If you're making if you are just trading for $1, you're gonna make it like $2 per lot. So that's it, not more than that. So here, if I'm going to click on the promotions, what I can see right now, they're not offering any tradable bonus. They do have a good option, that's a refer a friend, and you would be rewarded up to $200. That one is a bit clicky. The catchy one, you can take use of it, and honestly, it's a very good one. So this broker honestly is very good for both for the beginner and for the people who are already working with some other brokers. I already have gone through with the different companies, but honestly, if I'm going to read this one, this is really high, because they are very good and very clear about their withdrawal policies. They're not gonna stop any money if you have deposited any stuff in it. So this is all about it. I have just told you this is the basic information, and if you want to make any registration, my video is available, and you can just you'll have to simply click on that one. That is in Urdu language, but I'll just try to make it in English too, so that I can help you how to register your account and how you can make deposit and any withdrawals. But if you do have any issues, if you do have any questions, any queries about the brokerage, like which broker is good, about the deposit and withdrawals, and even if you're facing any issue with any broker that you have deposited money, it's difficult for you to withdraw, you can just ping me up. You can see my number here, that's my WhatsApp number, and you'll have to click it here, or there's no need to click, sorry. You can just simply ping a message on the WhatsApp, and I'll reach back to you as soon as possible. Whatsoever is your issue, I'm here to help you out. May God bless you, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.